Hello guys, today we will be learning how to strengthen existing concrete structure. So for that, first of all let us see why is it necessary to strengthen existing reinforced concrete structure. Strengthening of existing reinforced concrete structure becomes necessary either when they lose their strength and capacity to take up the stipulated load or when you need to increase their load carrying capacity. This kind of rehabilitation is mostly required for structure constructed in high seismic zone areas. Different retrofitting techniques can be applied by using the traditional materials or new materials for strengthening of the concrete structure. So now let us see what are the methods to strengthen concrete structure. The method of strengthening includes concrete jacketing, concrete replacement, retrofitting by steel materials, FRP laminates. So now let us learn these methods in detail. The first one is concrete jacketing. This is a traditional retrofitting method where the retrofitting technique is performed to increase the dimensions of the structure. This increase in dimension is achieved by adding new concrete to the existing concrete structure. For this addition, steel reinforcement is placed to increase the strength and ductility of the RCC structure. As the method focuses on the increase in the structure thickness, an increase beyond a limit increases the dead weight. This would demand the increase in the load carrying capacity of the existing foundation in order to take the additional weight. Now let us see the next topic, which is concrete replacement. This is one of the simplest and the cheapest way to restore the strength and the ductility of the RCC structure. The method initially involves the removal of the damaged concrete. The final surface is cleaned and brushed properly to remove all the loose material. If the reinforcement present in the compression zone is buckled in small amount, then it should be strengthened. After the preparation is done, the formwork for the wall web is prepared. Into the formwork, fresh concrete is poured from one side of the wall. After concreting, the structure is secured. The top part of the structure can be completed by an epoxy grout, as high strength is required to bring contact with the old concrete. Now the third method is retrofitting by steel materials. The use of steel for retrofitting RCC structure only adds a small weight to the old structure. It is a retrofitting technique that causes minimum disruption to the building occupants. There are two types of retrofitting methods as follows: retrofitting by steel sections and the retrofitting by steel bracing. Now let us see retrofitting by steel section. Steel plate sections are added to the RCC surface, which helps in increasing the strength, stiffness and the ductility of the structure. Based on the property to be enhanced, the steel plate section can be added either vertically or horizontally. Now let's see retrofitting by steel bracing. Use of steel bracing is common for moment resisting frame structures. Proper connection of the bracing with the existing wall ensures adequate strength, stiffness and ductility for the structure. Steel bracing also increases the seismic performance of the RC structure. Providing steel bracing at a proper interval of the RC structure decreases the buckling length, that in turn increases the capacity of the bracing member. Now let us see the next topic, which is use of the FRP laminates. Use of composite materials like fiber reinforced polymer, that is FRP, in different forms for retrofitting a reinforced concrete structure is a method used from the past decades. FRP gains high strength and high resistance to corrosion. In addition to this, they are light in weight and therefore can be applied easily. FRP can be used as laminates or sheets or as rods over the RC structure. The efficiency of these retrofitting can be increased by pre-stressing the fibers. FRP composites is a fast and easy retrofitting technique. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to my channel.